In the context of Snam Tech program of innovation, Snam is deeply investing in leak detection technologies. In particular, we are investing in methane detection, and in the context of incubator called the T-Lab, in which we are experimenting new technologies supporting the asset, we are setting and we are doing a project called Methane Detector, in which we are trying to identify and quantify leakages of methane in plants, and this is a very strategic project aiming at being compliant to the regulation of 2025 by EU.
The methane detector was born from a very concrete need of European TSO in the oil and gas sector. In fact, the new regulation requires continuous monitoring of assets in the field. To detect and quantify methane emission, and to be compliant with these new rules, the operators will have to increase the cost and also a significant impact on the safety of the technicians to carry out field measurements to assess the environmental conditions. Methane detector simplifies all of this, a solution that enables continuous and effective detection and measurement of potential gas leak at an affordable cost. It is much more than a simple sensor. It is an hardware and software platform designed to operate even in extreme outdoor environments, including AVEX zones. It works 20 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year round, without interruption. It can be easily installed, just like a surveillance camera, along the perimeter of the plant. Once active, it continuously monitors the area and detects the methane emission in real time. But what's truly powerful is that it doesn't just identify the leak. It can measure the amount of gas released, providing reliable data. It's a solution designed for smart, continuous, and safe monitoring.
The methane detector system is a product which allows us to detect emissions of methane, and it exploits the absorption line in the infrared region of the CH4 molecule. It is composed by a class 1 laser and a camera. Then data is analyzed and processed, and from remote we can monitor oil and gas plants. When compared to other solutions, this product allows us to measure quantitatively the emissions of the gas, and this is the added value of this product. It is not just telling us whether there is or not the emissions, but how much of it there is.
Other use cases include industrial environments, smart cities, gas storage center, parking and indoor areas, and so on. The methane detector is an IoT system that works completely autonomously. It's designed to constantly monitor a specific area or assets. And when it detects something anomalous or potentially dangerous, it immediately sends notification updates and alarms to the right people in real time. All this is possible thanks to the connection with 𝐶EA, SECO's edge cloud platform. 𝐶EA not only collects all data from the fields, but also allows you to manage the device remotely, updating them easily thanks to OTA campaigns. And it does stop there. Thanks to the artificial intelligence integrated directly in the device, we can add advanced features such as people counting, naturally in full compliance with privacy, or monitoring the correct use of PPE by operators in the field. The methane detector can also identify emergency situations such as smoke and flames. In short, it provides real contextual awareness, which is essential for safety and efficiency.
Here there is a demonstration of a methane detector working. There is the control panel that permits to understand what is the ppm level of methane in the air. Considering that the methane detector have a laser point to the center of this circle, when I will put this meta reference cell that inside have 950 ppm of methane, the methane ppm level shown here will increase until 2000, and it will be very fast and responsive. Okay, we're seeing the increase of the level, and after a few seconds I leave it without. The methane level will decrease to the standard level. So here you can see how fast and precise is this technology.
The methane detector is born to be compliant with Snam needs, and it will be tested directly in its plants to validate the effectiveness and performance. The results and the progress of the project are constantly monitored by ARERA, the Italian Authority for Energy Regulation, as sponsor of the initiative. The product will be ready for mass production by the end of Q1 2026.